All right, let's talk about weather now. Obviously, we're going to be talking about weather in the coming days, really, because big changes are on the way.
That's right. At least for today, though, Ryan, we've been seeing showers off and on. Little one out west right now.
Yeah, just one lingering shower behind the system, guys. But when we lose the heating of the day, we lose a lot of the rain that's out there. And the heating is the fuel for these storms. Hot air rising creates buoyant air, and that's what helps fuel these storms in the hours of about 5 to 10 p.m. And then after that, we really lose the steam of the day. Now, we did see some good rain in Bernie across the hill country. Let's take a look. Lots of good rain across the hill country, and you can see this is video from Jack Acosta in Bernie, and we saw some pretty good rain. As a matter of fact, some rain estimates picking up about 1/4 to 1/2 inch of rain in a very short amount of time. And no flooding reported, but again, these are quick downpours creating lightning, fast-moving rain, high water spots, and that was earlier today over in Bernie, northwest of San Antonio. Now let's take a look at the radar, showing you how it looked earlier this evening. It was very scattered across the hill country and then moved farther south towards Bernie, towards northern San Antonio. And it was really the western side of San Antonio that picked up the most rain versus the eastern side of San Antonio. And this is a good indication and good preview on what to expect tomorrow, Tuesday and Wednesday. Rain forming north of us and then eventually pushing south. That's exactly how it's going to happen tomorrow, and very similar for Tuesday. And again, mostly on the west side, Fair Oaks Ranch, towards the rim, La Cantera, and mostly on the west side of Bexar counties, where rain estimates were up to about 1 inch to 2 inches in some localized pockets. We'll show you that in a second. Here's radar currently near Pearsall, Divine, south of Hondo. There's a couple of light showers out there tonight. You can see rain estimates. Kerrville about 1/10 of an inch. Hondo, Highway 90, 1/10 to 1/4. 2 to 3 inches of rain in some areas south of Highway 90, and similar numbers across Bexar County. You can see on the northwestern side of San Antonio, pretty good rain amounts in central Bexar County. 2.5 inches of rain between Castroville, Von Ormy, and towards Helotes, 1 inch to 2 inches of rain. Okay, tomorrow's forecast up to about the upper 80s, right around 90 degrees. And then here's that weather impact alert. After lunchtime, the heating of the day will create that same setup. Scattered to numerous showers in the hill country, and that'll eventually push southward, and that'll maintain our rain chance through at least 7 and 8 o'clock tomorrow night, impacting the evening commute. Let's show you what it looks like on future radar. Tomorrow morning, mostly quiet, just a little bit of cloud cover, middle to upper 70s, the sun peeking through. Moisture moving ahead, setting up the stage for some pretty good rain after lunchtime. And just like today, it moves farther south, and coverage will be widely scattered, especially between here, Austin, San Marcos, Rock Springs. But that amount of energy moves across South Texas and keeps the rain coverage high through at least 7 and 8 o'clock. By this time tomorrow night, we're cloudy, we're dry, but watch what happens by Tuesday. Same thing, by about the late morning hours, rain coverage really picks up, and it doesn't stop. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, not until the weekend, it starts to really trend down. But this setup, front at the surface, upper level energy moving in from the north, and a lot of humidity. That's fuel in the tank for several days of rain chances. Speaking of, this is one computer model. By Wednesday and Thursday, between 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch accumulating by the middle of the week. And then watch what happens through the next several days, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, which may lead to a flooding threat here in the South Texas area. Let's talk about the extended forecast. And tomorrow, about a high of 89 degrees into the lower 90s in some areas around the metro. 87 Wednesday, 88 Thursday. And then notice every single day through Monday through Friday, weather impact alert day that will impact your evening commute. Drive safely. Be careful, drive with caution, keep a large distance between the car in front of you, because some of these downpours will get heavy and lower the visibility in San Antonio.